Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your Philips Fidelio L4 using your Android device. So basically you have a few options how to check it. The first one is to use a control panel, and right here we have a battery percentages. You can also click here to have more information. Now the second one is to go to settings, connected devices, and right here you have the same battery percentages, and on some devices you can also click at the settings icon and have same battery percentages. And the last one option is to use an application. Just open it, and right here at the top we have it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.